Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're probably excited about managing your assets across different platforms. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring Modic tokens from Kraken to Revolut. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but as always, we'll go step by step to keep things simple and secure. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, stick around. This will take you through it in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Revolut. If you haven't already, download the Revolut app and verify your Kraken account for withdrawals. Start by logging into your Kraken dashboard. Navigate to your wallet section and locate your Modic balance. Double-check that you have enough funds to cover any network fees. These can vary based on the blockchain network, like Polygon, which Modic uses. Next, initiate a withdrawal from Kraken. Click on the Withdraw option next to your Modic holdings. You'll need to select the correct network. For Modic, it's usually the Polygon network to keep fees low. Now, enter your Revolut wallet address. You can find this in the Revolut app under the Crypto section. Just copy it carefully to avoid any errors. Paste it into Kraken, set the amount you want to transfer, and review the details. Remember, always double-check the address to prevent losing your funds. Once you're ready, hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Kraken, and the transaction will start processing. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. While you wait, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. When the transfer is complete, head back to your Revolut app. Go to the Crypto tab, and you should see your Modic tokens added to your balance. Give it a quick verify to ensure everything matches up. If you run into any issues, both Kraken and Revolut have excellent support teams. Don't hesitate to reach out. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Modic from Kraken to Revolut. This is a great way to manage your crypto more flexibly, especially with Revolut's user-friendly interface. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.